Hi boys and girls, welcome to math. Now today I'm really excited. I want to share with you some secret knowledge about rectangles. Now what do you see right here? Do you see one square and one rectangle? Well, I'm here to tell you that these are actually both rectangles. Can you believe that? Now let me explain. Any shape, and there's two shapes here, that has four straight sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and these sides are all straight, right? Yeah. And also four corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, is a rectangle. Now, does this one have four straight sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. It does, and they're all straight. Does it have four corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. It does. So this is actually a rectangle. But because the sides are all the same length, it's called a square rectangle. And we just call them squares. But this is actually a square rectangle. Now, is this one a square rectangle? Now, let's see if the sides are all the same length. Is this side the same length as this side? No, you can tell right away that it's not, right? Which is longer? This one or this one? This one, right? These two sides are both the same length, and they're longer than these two sides. So this is just called a rectangle. But since this one has four sides that are all the same length, it's called a square rectangle. And like I said, normally we just call them squares, but technically it's a square rectangle. Alright, so that's some secret knowledge about rectangles I wanted to share with you. And now we're going to put it into practice. Let's go ahead and go to our activity. And we're going to Stepping Stones, page 139 and 141. And the easiest way to do it is go ahead and tear out page 139. And then you'll put it right next to 141. And this is identifying 2D shapes. Now, you'll cut out the 2D shapes, and here they are. There's about 12 2D shapes right here. Okay, so you're going to cut them out. And then after you've cut them all out, we're going to sort them. We're going to put them where they belong. Now, this one says triangles. So we'll put the triangles in this line right here. And how many triangles do we see? Now, these triangles are kind of different sizes and a little bit different types of sizes and types of shapes, really, but they're all three triangles. Here's one, here's two, and here's three. You see, they have three straight sides. These are triangles. So these three can all be put right here. And how many circles are there? I see a circle there, and there's a circle there. These go there. Now, here's the tricky part. This says square rectangles and non-square rectangles. Remember, the square rectangles have four straight sides, four corners, and all the sides are the same length. So you'll just see them as a normal square. Now, how about that one? Is that a square? Yeah, it is. It's a square, or otherwise known as a square rectangle. And you put it right here. How about this one? Is that a square? Yeah, it's a square. So for this practice, for this exercise, we're calling it a square rectangle. Putting it right here. And then how about this one? Are these sides the same length? Is this side the same length as that side, or is this longer or shorter? Yeah, that's longer than this side. So that's a non-square rectangle. I'm going to put it down here. Where's another non-square rectangle? Which one else has four sides? I don't see anything else that seems to have four sides that are straight in the four corners. It looks like just the one. Now at the bottom here, it says other shapes. Something that's not a triangle, a circle, a square, or square rectangle, or just a regular rectangle, non-square rectangle. That looks like another shape, right? That's going to go down here, as well as that one. It's going to go down here. How about this one? Yeah, that's too many sides. It has six sides. That's going to go down here as well. So go ahead and cut these out. Sort them into this side over here. Take a picture and upload it. And thank you for joining me today for math.